Surveys are a great way to help you make the right decisions for your business by giving you the tools you need to collect and analyze data from your target audience. Let's take a look at how you can use the Gravity Forms built-in template library to create a survey in under 2 minutes. Before getting started, it's important to note that you will need to install the Gravity Forms survey add-on in order to create surveys. From the WordPress admin dashboard, I'll start by selecting New Form from within the Gravity Forms settings. I'll then be greeted with an array of form templates that I can use and customize. For this video, I'm going to select Survey Form and give it an appropriate name. After I select Use Template, the form editor will open and I'll be greeted with a survey template that I can customize to suit my needs. Fields can be rearranged, modified, and deleted, allowing me to easily tailor the survey questions. For instance, I'm going to modify the field labels to change the word Acme to Gravity Forms. I'm then going to move the order of one of the fields and delete one that I do not need for this form. Next, I'm going to add a survey field to my form and set the survey field type to radio buttons. I'd like to use this field to ask the user if they would recommend Gravity Forms to a friend. I'll use the choices flyout to give the user the option to select yes or no. Once I'm happy with my form, I'm going to save the changes and embed this form on a new page. Gravity Forms makes adding surveys to your site as simple as possible. For a more detailed guide on using the survey add-on, be sure to check out our Gravity Integrations video, linked in the description. And if you have any questions, be sure to let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.